In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Gmail account. First, let's sign in and open Gmail. You will see the familiar Gmail interface on your screen with your inbox displayed prominently. If you have not signed in yet, enter your email address and password. This step is crucial because it gives you access to all your emails and settings. Once you're signed in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You will notice labels on the left side and your emails in the center. This prepares you for the tasks ahead. Next, click on your profile picture. You will find this in the upper right corner of the screen. Your profile picture represents your account, and clicking on it reveals a drop-down menu. This is where you can manage various settings for your Google account. It is important to ensure you're in the right account, especially if you manage multiple accounts. After clicking, observe how the menu appears, giving you options to manage your account. From there, click on Manage Your Google Account. This action will take you to a new page where you can access various settings related to your Google account. It's a centralized hub for everything you need to manage your account effectively. You will see different tabs at the top, such as Personal Info, Security, and Privacy. This organization helps you navigate easily to the settings you need. Now let's focus on Personal Info. Click on this tab. You will see a list of personal details associated with your account. This includes your name, birthday, phone number, and recovery email. Keeping this information updated is vital. It helps in account recovery if you ever lose access. Take a moment to review each section and ensure the information is correct. Open Personal Info. This section allows you to update your name, birthday, phone number, and recovery email. Click on each item to make necessary changes. For instance, if your phone number has changed, update it here. This ensures you can recover your account easily. After making changes, look for a Save button to save your updates. This makes sure your changes are securely stored. Next, let's move on to the Security tab. Click on it to access important security settings for your account. This is where you can manage your password, enable two-step verification, and review your devices. Security is critical in today's digital world as it protects your personal information from unauthorized access. Open Security. Here, you can change your password if you feel it needs to be stronger. Click on the option to change your password and follow the prompts. A strong password is your first line of defense. After that, turn on two-step verification. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code sent to your phone. It's a simple step that significantly enhances your account's security. Review your devices. This section shows you all devices currently signed into your account. Take a moment to ensure there are no unfamiliar devices. If you see something suspicious, you can log out of that device. This step is essential for maintaining control over your account. Now, let's navigate to the Privacy tab. Click on it to manage your data and privacy settings. You will see options to control what data Google collects and how it is used. This ensures you have a say in your online privacy. Open Data and Privacy. Here, you can manage your activity and control your privacy settings. Review your activity to see what information is being tracked. You can delete any unwanted activities if needed. This is important because it helps you maintain a clean digital footprint. Finally, let's check on storage. Open Storage to see how much space you are using. You will be able to see a breakdown of your storage used for emails, files, and photos. Review your storage to identify any unnecessary files. Delete unwanted files if needed. This action helps in freeing up space, ensuring your account runs smoothly. Managing your storage is a simple yet effective way to keep your Gmail organized and efficient. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your Gmail account with confidence. Regularly reviewing your settings keeps your account secure and organized. Thank you for watching.